Hey, what's up guys, here bringing you a video of my build. Just here showing the type of build the type of style that I went with my build, which is that mostly white dominant around the case, and the motherboard, white with Asus Z97 Mark S, sorry, and the hybrid, the EVGA hybrid 980 Ti, yeah, just try to keep it really clean, no circuits popping out, something very simplistic, something like like I want to say, like, I was trying to go for like something like Apple, how their devices are very simplistic. So yeah guys, well, this is just a quick glimpse of my case, my build, and I will be uploading another video with a more detailed and better angles view of my PC.